bringing you the Scudo Gunmetal Pop-Up Waste and Overflow, the ideal choice for an elegant and effortless bathroom experience. With our beautifully designed gunmetal overflow cover and pop-up bath waste, you can wave goodbye to those dull plug-and-chain setups and welcome elegance instead. Installation has never been easier for this slotted waste design, thanks to the simple threaded nut fitting. A wide range of matching taps and accessories are available in the same gorgeous gunmetal finish to help you finish off the makeover of your bathroom. Make a harmonious, stylish impression that will amaze your guests. The Scudo Gunmetal Pop-Up Waste and Overflow will transform your bathroom routine. After all, who says functionality can't be stylish? Discover this and the rest of the Scudo Bath Waste range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.